received this 72 Colors Acrylic Paint Marker set from the brand as a gift in exchange for my honest review, and I have to say I was pleasantly surprised by the quality and practicality of this set. The markers feature both a fine tip and a brush tip, which makes them incredibly versatile. The fine tip is perfect for adding details, outlines, and lettering, while the brush tip is great for coloring larger areas and creating smooth, controlled strokes. One thing I really like is that these aren't just for coloring on paper. They work beautifully on a variety of surfaces, including wood for craft projects, rocks for rock painting, and even glass for decorative drawings. That makes this set a great option if you enjoy DIY projects or like experimenting with different art mediums. The colors are vibrant, the paint flows smoothly, and having 72 shades gives you plenty of variety for creative projects. Whether you're making handmade gifts, decorating home decor, painting on canvas, or just relaxing with an art project, this set has a lot to offer. I'm genuinely impressed with the quality and versatility of these acrylic paint markers. So if you're looking for a marker set that can handle much more than just paper, I think this one is definitely worth checking out.